What does it take to prove that I'm in hardship, in quotes, hardship, to eliminate my student loans?
Okay, student loans. This comes up a lot, and Jerry from Homewood, it is very difficult, extremely difficult to eliminate a student loan debt. You have to basically prove to the court that you do not have the ability to repay it, you will never have the ability to repay it, and you have to go through a full trial and hearing on that matter.
Never have the ability?
Well, that's the argument that the government is going to use on a government student loan. For example, if you come in and say you have a certain illness, medical condition.
I have an illness that prevents me from paying you back.
Okay, well, the court is going to hear arguments that you might get a cure. You might come back. Your circumstances might change. So it is very difficult. It's not impossible, but it's very difficult, and I know very few attorneys who are willing to take those cases because typically, if you don't have the ability to repay it, they're not going to be able to get any money out of you anyway. If you're not working, if you're on Social Security, if you're disabled, then having the student loan hang over your head is really not going to be a burden because they're not going to be able to touch any of your assets anyway. So it's a tricky endeavor, and it's not one I recommend. And in my 21 years of practice, I haven't seen a client yet who qualified for a hardship discharge for student loans.